In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate pages in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is have multiple pages. So I'm just going to create 3 more pages over here. So I have 4. There we go. And let's say the first 2 I want to be separated from the third and fourth, okay? And the way you do this is right click on the one which you want to basically separate. So I want the third one to be separated from these 2. I'm gonna right click it and you wanna click on start section. It's gonna pop this up over here and then it's going to allow you to customize these sections. So as you can see in sections 1, there are currently pages 1 and 2 right now. So there's only 2 pages in there, and then in section 2, there's pages 3 and 4. You could go ahead and of course select where you want these to start. So if you want to customize them, you could go and you could say, I want to start this on page 4, and it's going to change this to where section 1 is now the first 3 pages, and then section 2 is from 4 on. And of course, if you're going to create more, you can just keep on adding more sections. So that's how the pages can be separated, and that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.